Redfeather from Grappax. In this Krita video, we will be showing you how to turn any image into a brush tip. There are many reasons why you may want to create an image into a brush tip. And once you discover this procedure, I think you will find the opportunities endless. Open Krita. Create a new canvas. Once your new canvas appears, go to File, scroll down to Open, navigate to the image you would like to make your brush tip of, and click Open. Once your image appears on the Krita canvas, go to the Krita toolbox. Scroll down to the rectangular selection tool and click. The Krita rectangular tool does not have to be used if you are planning to use the whole image as a brush tip. Although, in this tutorial, we will show you how to create a brush tip using an area of the image, but the procedure is the same. In case you are wondering, this photo was taken in the Smoky Mountains while I was on vacation. Notice the trees had all iced over. Notice the blue sky. If I wanted just the blue sky, I could just use the rectangular selection box tool, drawing a box in that area, but for this Krita example, I will draw a box on the icy trees in order to capture them. Once you have chosen the part of the image to be used, or the whole image, for your Krita brush tip, place the rectangular box there, then go back to the toolbox and click on the brush tool. Once this is done in Krita, click on Edit Brush. When the Edit Brush window appears, click on Predefined. Then scroll down to Add Stamp and click. When the Krita Add Stamp window appears, you can decide what color pattern to use, either the color that is on your color selector or the original color in the image. By taking the check mark out of the color masking box or placing one in the box. Once this is done in Krita, click OK. Once back on the Krita canvas, go to the Select on the title bar, scroll down to Deselect and click. Close out of the image and decide to save or not. Once this is done in Krita, go to Edit Brush, click on Predefined. Your new brush tip, or stamp, if you will, should already be highlighted. I would like to note at this point, from what I understand, once the new brush tip or stamp, if you will, is created, at this point, it is placed into a Krita temporary file of sorts. So every time you want to use it, you must return to the Edit Brush predefined area. Notice the scratch pad to the right of the Edit Brush window. Give your new brush tip a click here, then scroll over to the size adjustment and adjust as needed. Once you are happy with your Krita brush size adjustment, off-click so as to return to the canvas. Your mouse pointer should now appear as a box at the least, but notice mine is not showing. In order to solve this, click anywhere on the canvas After the first click, the box should now appear, giving the opportunity to remove this first placement and then placing the Krita brush tip image where you would like it. I hope you have enjoyed this Krita tutorial and find it helpful in some fashion, and if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber and ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, after all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1. Thank you in advance. I am out.